is yours?
Now, you listen here, mister. I don't know who you think you are, but you've got no right to manhandle my son like that.
Your son and his friends were in my subway yard, making trouble. Again.
It was my first time on a hoverboard.
On a what?
I mean, my new board.
Yeah, whatever the excuse. You should keep him on a shorter leash.
Hey! You can't tell my mom what to do. She's the best mom in the whole world, and if you ever tried...
All right, Jake, all right. Just settle down. I'll handle this. You get to your room and you think about what you've done. Was that too much? Was I too mean?
I don't know, lady.
He's such a good kid. So sweet. And usually so well-mannered. I'm a single mom. I work long hours, so he's a little odd, but I always know I can trust him to behave.
Let go, lady. My dog doesn't like it.
All right, none of that.
Look, I'm sure this is just a big misunderstanding, so don't worry. I'll be over to Jake right now.
Yard time. Who's in it?
Jacob Breffler! You're in big trouble now, mister!
Sit! Cat! Ham and cheese? Oh, yeah, ham and cheese. Look, forget the yard. Meet me at Mully's. I'm starving.